Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by raising the in-game slider. Options right arrow video settings right arrow brightness, switch it to bright. Once done, apply night vision with the command /effect give it p Minecraft. Night vision 1,000,001 true for immediate full bright. This works in creative and survival with commands enabled. Make sure to disable any shader packs that deliberately darken nights because they override simple sliders. Then check your monitor /Windows brightness. If that's low, the game will still look dim even after these steps. You'll move into the middle steps when the slider and night vision aren't enough. Install Optifine for Java. It gives gamma and rendering controls that change how light surfaces behave. Once installed, launch and tweak settings, then, if needed, close Minecraft and edit options. TXD to adjust gamma or brightness lines, save a backup first. Alternatively, apply a full bright resource pack or a lightweight shader that raises ambient light. Make sure to relaunch the game so changes fully take effect. You finish by validating brightness in different scenarios: caves, night, and underwater. Make sure the change is consistent. On Bedrock, use the brightness slider and night vision. Mod options are limited there. Once done, keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind. If brightness doesn't change, disable shaders or conflicting mods, update Optifine and graphics drivers, then relaunch. If problems persist, remove recent mods one by one. That isolates the conflict and gets your visibility back quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.